today, and we're leaving from Toronto Pearson. We're bringing you all with us, so let's get it.
Teresa Boundridge, Mary Phillips, you're in the departure lounge.
Feeling good, feeling great, 'cause I got a big old smile upon my face, and you can't take that away. Feeling good, feeling great, and I know today is going to be my day, and you can't take that away.
Dorothy's telling me that the light behind me is messing up the camera angle here. Pretty sure you guys can see her fine.
Gotta face the other way, babe.
I'm pretty sure this is gonna turn out fine, but we'll leave you guys to be the judge of that, okay? So guys, Dorothy's not too impressed with the time for this flight. Like, she's just been complaining.
I forgot about the time difference. 4.5 hours in a middle seat. Jesus.
Should have done your research.
If you're from the west side, Cali, born and raised right from the town with the palm trees and good vibes, you know the best ride, soaking up the sunshine. And we hustle 'cause we tryna live a good life. I'm driving down the coast, homies in the back bumping loud. You know, we ain't got no worries. This my own. And I don't plan on leaving. There ain't nothing better than the west side. That's right. I'm like, ooh,